Welcome, my friends, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a pleasure to connect across time and space. If you're feeling frustrated, worried about the future, anxious about what's going to happen next, feeling loneliness, feeling anger, resentment, feeling irritable, feeling disappointment, or perhaps even joyfulness. Know that you're not alone and that it's okay if you don't feel okay in this moment. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Come back to our awareness of something beyond the thoughts, the storylines, the irritations. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice posture where you can be aware of your body, aware of how you're sat. Letting go of thoughts, natural for the mind to drift. Coming back into this present moment. Becoming aware of your body, aware of how you feel. Gently close the eyes. Tuning deeper into your inner space, aware of tension, resistance, restlessness, embracing it all. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your belly, relaxing the palms of your hands and feet, relaxing the face, letting go of the past. The past is past. Taking a deep breath in. Deep breath out. breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy.